Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and I hope that everybody is having a great week and still staying safe and healthy and informed. That's important. So I do not want to ignore the things that are still going on in our country and in the world. However, I think it will be good for my mental health to be doing something other than focusing on that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. However, I will have links down below. I'm going to try to do it for every video from now on. I'm going to have links down below to unbiased news sources just to report like what's going on so that people can stay informed if they want to, because I think that that's really important. So yeah, I'm planning on having those in the description of every single video, starting with this one. So they will be down below if you want to see what's going on in the world. But today we are going to be doing something different, I guess. Yeah, kind of different. I don't think I've ever done something like this. Oh, I guess I did it with my Instagram pictures video. It's kind of like that. So if you don't have TikTok, there's this trend going around. It's called the Vogue challenge, where you take pictures of yourself and you put like the Vogue magazine label behind it, and it's supposed to look like an editorial cover page. You know, I don't have many pictures that I've already taken that look good with the Vogue cover. I tried it, so I thought that today I would be taking some. Might be TMI, but about a week before I start my period and my first couple of days of my period, I don't feel great about myself. I don't feel like I'm pretty, and I'm not. I don't feel great. Like normally I have like pretty good confidence. Not great. I know I'm not like that pretty, but like it just goes way down when I'm about to start my period, which is now. So I thought that it would be good for me, mostly, to take some good pictures of myself and put them on magazine covers. So for this video, I'm not just going to be doing Vogue, I'm going to be doing a few other magazine covers as well. I think I'm going to be doing a total of 5. That's the plan. So this is either gonna go really well or really badly. And by that, I mean, I might look at these and be like, oh my gosh, like, confidence restored, like I am pretty. Like I'm just gonna like reassure myself of that, or it's gonna come out really badly and I'm gonna be like, I knew that's what I looked like. So this could go one of two ways. I'm hoping for the former, but who knows. I think it'll be a fun journey anyways. I was trying to do this earlier before I started losing sun, but you know, the day's gone by so fast, I have no idea where it went. Sorry, I can't stop laughing. Okay, one thing that I am feeling very positive about is my skin. I just started a new skincare routine a few days ago actually, and I'm going to have a video up in a month. I'm going to be trying the skincare routine for a whole month and making a video on it, so that'll be up in a month. Subscribe if you want to see what my skincare routine currently is. Okay, so I am going to get ready very quickly to shoot some magazine covers. I'm gonna have a little photo shoot with myself. All right, I'll see you when I'm ready. Okay, so first I'm going to be recreating this Millie Bobby Brown Dazed cover. I wanted to start with this one because it's just super simple. So I just have this denim jacket on, and then it doesn't really matter what I'm wearing anywhere else because you can't see it. All right, so let me get set up. I'm just going to be taking the pictures on my phone because I don't have like a professional camera, but I'm going to be using this so that I don't have to use like a self timer. It's a Bluetooth thing, I can just click it. Okay, so in the picture, the camera is like right in line with her laying on the couch. So I set up my tripod to be in line with that. The lighting's not gonna be the same. I'm going to have to edit the lighting. Here's Noodle. She's going to be my photographer's assistant. Let me get started. So she's just laying, she has her arm like this. It's really simple. So I'm gonna be taking my picture with this hand. I think that that's good. I'm gonna adjust this lighting a little bit so that, there we go. So she's really close. I don't look cute. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to get this positioning right. My head just looks like big. I think we got that one. That's about as good as that's gonna get. It's not cute. So that's great. My confidence shot down. I don't understand how her arm is, I think. So I think the next one that we'll do is the Vogue one. I'm going to be trying to recreate Kendall Jenner's Vogue cover right here. This is not boosting my confidence at all right now. Maybe it'll look better once it's edited, but that just makes me feel worse because that means I'm only pretty when I'm edited. I don't have a top exactly like this, and I also have very few white walls. I don't have a ring light. We're off to a great start. Look how cute Noodle looks sleeping in the back. Look how pretty she looks. So this is also really natural looking, like her face. She has a nude lip, so I'm gonna go take this like kind of reddish lip that I have off. She also has some brown eyeshadow, so I'm gonna go put some brown eyeshadow on. Let's try this. Okay, got a little bit more ready than I planned. It looks a lot crazier on camera than it does in person. Also, nude lipstick, not my thing. There was a reason I stopped wearing it in like 2016. This is why. Not cute. So anyway, we're gonna try to make the best of it. Hi Noodle. The closest thing I have to a white wall is this wall in my bedroom. Wow, I look really weird. It's so weird. I haven't worn makeup in so long. Like looking at myself, I'm like, who is she? So she's like holding her hair and her shoulders like forward. Yeah, I mean, it seems pretty simple, but that's what I said about the last one. Yes, I'm still wearing my sweatpants. That's what I said about the last one, and it was actually really hard, so. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna have to put you all the way over here because I have nowhere else to stand you, so. Sorry. The shoulder is so like awkwardly in front of her. Ah! This is hard. How is her head? This girl has got the weirdest neck ever. Why isn't it working? Oh, I turned it off. Duh. There we go. Oh, it's messy. Okay, I'm trying to make mine too pretty. Her shoulder is like forward, but her neck is like so long. My body doesn't do that. What is going on? I look like I have man's shoulders. This is hard. Okay, her shoulder is like this. Her neck is like this. Her head is like this. I'm tired. This is hard. No wonder models get paid so much. Ugly when I smile, ugly when I don't. Why can't I just smile normally? She looks like she's having so much fun. Oh my gosh, being a model is so hard. Oh, I just realized I'm using my front camera, so the picture is reversed. This is my better side anyway. So now I gotta figure it out this way. So here is there. I need to put my leg up. It's uncomfortable. Arm, neck. Okay, they had to have edited that. There's no way she doesn't have neck rolls when she's like, she's literally like this. There's no way you don't have neck rolls when you do that. That's annoying. That just creates unrealistic beauty standards because now I'm feeling insecure about my neck rolls. I don't understand. They also had to have like edited her hair because my hair does not do all of that. Okay, I'm like so over this. That's as good as it's gonna get. So, next, now that I've like messed up my hair, let's do this one outside because she also has a lot of makeup on. Just wanted like a boost of like body positivity, you know? So I'm going to go outside and take a Sports Illustrated cover picture. So my hair is curled, I have a bikini on. So her towel is almost the same color as her bathing suit, so I'm just gonna grab a white towel. Yeah, I'm also gonna edit in a background because I'm just gonna take it out on my balcony, and it's gonna be a little bit awkward because other people have balconies that can see my balcony. So that's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable, but that's fine. Okay, so there are these people who literally always like watch me when I'm out on my balcony for some reason. Like when I'm filming a TikTok or something, they're always watching me, which is really creepy. Hopefully they're not. I can't tell if they're watching right now. She wants to come outside, but she's gonna ruin the picture, so. Okay, and then she's like on her hands like this. I feel ridiculously stupid. I look so sexy. How ridiculously stupid. I'm such a person. Terrifying. Okay, wait, those actually look really good. I really like this lighting. I'm gonna take a couple more pictures of myself really quick. Okay, now people are watching me. Shut up, I look so cute right now. That was really loud. I look so cute. Literally, like, look at the quality of that picture. Wild. Am I turning into an Instagram baddie? Maybe. I'm just kidding, I'm not. I feel so conceited, but those are so cute. Okay, that just boosted my confidence like a lot. Those were cute. Alright, I think we got the picture that we need for the magazine, so let's go inside. Okay, I should do my hair like this more often. Anyways, now that I'm done being conceited, it's not a bad thing. It's called self-love and confidence. It's not a bad thing to think you're pretty. The next one that I'm going to be creating is, or recreating, is this Rihanna Rolling Stone one. She has neck rolls. That was not edited out. So that gives me hope that I can do it. And this is really simple. Her hair is just curled. She has makeup on, so I'm just going to leave everything as it is. Okay, so for these last two, we are going to be using the white wall again, but we are losing light, so we're going to need to do it quickly. Oh, my chiropractor is gonna be so unhappy. I'm like straining my neck. Okay, that's as good as that's gonna get. That's like really like strenuous on your neck. Okay, that's it. That was pretty good though. Okay, so this last one that I'm gonna be creating is this Playboy cover with Halsey. This was the only like neon pink bodysuit thing that I had. Or like tank top or really anything. So this is what we're working with. This is the last picture we're gonna take. My phone's gonna die, so. In the picture, she's also against a pink wall. I don't have a pink wall, obviously, so I'm gonna do it against my white wall, and I'm going to edit in a pink wall. Also, fun fact, I made this bodysuit, so now we have it on the right side, and this works perfectly because I can wink with this eye better than with that eye, you know. So it works out. So I think we got as good as we are going to get. I am going to go to class and then I will check in later. Okay, so I'm gonna make this a very quick outro because I don't want to post another super long video. That would be like 3 in a row. So sorry that this is also very long. I wanted to show the process of editing all of them. Again, I don't want this to be super long, and I was just editing it and it's already super long and I have the footage, but I am just not going to put it in because it's way too long. So the apps that I use to edit the lighting and all of that on my pictures is Lightroom. It's a free app at the App Store. I use the free version because I'm cheap. And to edit the magazine part, like the name of the magazine and all of that, I used PixArt, which is also free. I'm going to show all 5 magazine covers right now in the order of my least favorite to my most favorite, and let me know down below what your most favorite one was. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all give this challenge a try for yourselves. If you do, let me know because I would love to see it. I also posted a version of all of these pictures in this challenge on TikTok where the challenge originated. So if you want to go check me out on that or on Instagram, then those links are down below. I will see you all next week in my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy and stay happy, and I'll see you then. Bye.